Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NPGEI, AVM School, Geetapura, Unnao. Class 10th, subject Social Science, Geography, Chapter 4, Manufacturing Industries. Students, as you know, yesterday I described you what is a manufacturing and classification of industries and iron and steel industries. Students, as you know, classification of industries, I told you about the classification that it is done on the basis of their main role, capital investment, ownership, use of raw materials and finished goods. So today I describe you about their classification on the basis of capital investment. First, capital investment. Students, in this base, industries are classified into two parts: small scale industries and large scale industries. Students, small scale industries are those which comes under the maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit by the government. Listen again. Small scale industries are those industries which comes the maximum investment allowed on the assets of a unit by the government. Student, this investment limit is keep change over period of time. In this, at present time, maximum investment allowed at rupees 1 crore in a small scale industries. If you invest more than 1 crore, that industry called large scale industry. If you invest less than 1 crore or 1 crore rupees, that industry is called small scale industry. Students, second, on the basis of ownership. Students, on the basis of ownership, industries are classified into four parts: public sector industries, private sector industries, joint sector industries and cooperative sector industries. Students, first of all, public sector industries. These industries are owned and operated by government. These industries are operated and managed by the operated or owned by the government agencies. That industries are called public sector industries. For example, BHEL, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited and SAIL Steel Authority India Limited. Students, private sector industries. These industries are owned and operated by individuals or group of individuals. These industries are owned and operated by individuals or group of individuals. For example, TISCO, Bajaj Auto Limited, Dabur Industries, Reliance Industries, etc. Students, joint sector industries. These industries are jointly operated by the state and individuals. These industries are jointly run by the state or individuals or the group of individuals. For example, Oil India Limited jointly owned by the public and private sector. And last, cooperative sector industries. Students, these industries are owned and operated by the producer or suppliers of raw material, workers are both. These industries are owned and operated by the producer or suppliers of raw materials, and workers are both. Students, they collectively arrange resources and share the profit and losses proportionally. For example, sugar industry in Maharashtra, coir industry in Kerala. Okay, thank you.